to my cut. People, I am back. I am finally back on YouTube. I know I've been gone for a year. And honestly, I am a little upset with myself because I said, you know, I really wanted to start my YouTube channel and I had all these plans, and I don't know if I just got discouraged. I wasn't in the right state of mind. I had a lot of things going on. And, you know, last night I thought to myself, and I'm like, why did I ever stop making videos? Like, I enjoyed it. I loved learning, like, you know, new ways to edit, new content, things like that. I just enjoyed it. And I just said, why not go back? So I am back. I also wanted to say that my YouTube channel was about, you know, my natural hair journey. And before I even made any new content, I wanted to clarify that I am no longer natural. I actually have starter locks, and I started my locks 7 months ago. Tomorrow's actually going to be 7 months. So I started January 10th, 2021, and I wanted to just, you know, same thing, just do my journey, show you guys what tips and tricks that I've done to help my hair and things that I've learned on the way of having locks. My brother actually has locks, and he's always told me to start my locks. He's like, Mimi, come on, just do it. Come on and just do it. And I always had an excuse like, oh, when I'm this age, I'll do it, or when I'm that age. And I'm like, I should have just listened to him. I should have just started a long time ago. So it's kind of like the YouTube thing. Like, I should have just did it, you know? So not only am I restarting my channel, I am going to be talking about my journey on my locks and also a little bit of my lifestyle. I'm still working on figuring out what exactly on my lifestyle I'm gonna be doing. Not too sure yet, but for now, it's going to be about me and my locks. So before I even jump ship and just start showing a whole bunch of lock videos, I just wanted to explain and to give some clarity on why I am no longer doing natural videos. The reason why I stopped being natural and decided to become someone with locks, I am locked now. I think the problem that I had most importantly with being natural is that it was just so much work. I mean, personally for me, I thought it was just ridiculous. It was like a ridiculous amount of work. And, you know, just deep conditioning, moisturizing, detangling. My hair was very, very coily. I had about 4A, 4B type hair. So I just thought that being natural was just so much work, you know, having to wash my hair every couple days, moisturizing, detangling. I think that detangling alone, I never want to do that again. And because I have locks now, I enjoy like that I don't have to use a comb. I don't have to use my fingers, a finger detangle. And it's nothing against being natural. I mean, I think natural hair is beautiful, and I loved and I miss my curly hair, but not miss it enough where I want to get it back. But I just really enjoy the journey that I'm on now. And it's weird to say that I feel like the locks is the hairstyle that I've always should have had. And I've always made excuses like, oh no, I'll wait till this time to do it, or I'll wait till then. And it's like, no, do it now. So I'm really happy that I committed to doing, getting locks. I'm happy I committed to getting locks. And I'm super excited for the journey. So I just wanted to explain to you guys that, you know, I'm back on YouTube. I'm going to be trying to make videos every week now. I am committed, I am ready, and I'm excited for my journey here on YouTube. And I just want to say that if you are thinking about or wanting possibly to start your locks, this will be a perfect channel for you to get on, and you could get on the journey with me. I'm going to be showing all my tips and tricks of what I've done in the last 7 months to help my hair grow. Also, if you want to have colored treated locks, I can give you some more content on that. I also wanted to kind of give you guys a little journey, a little small, probably quick hair journey, just on where I left off on my last video, how long my natural hair got, and then a little bit of a lock journey for you as well. That way you can see from the point where I was natural and then till my 7 months now. So I just want to say, for the people that were subscribed to me and is still subscribed to me now, I just want to say thank you for, you know, still sticking around even though I was not posting anything. And I just want to tell you guys that I am going to be back with new content with my locks, and I'm so excited, as you can see. Maybe I should put my hair down so you can kind of see. Let me take my hair down so you can kind of see where my locks are now. Ooh. Okay, so here are my locks. So I've had the purple in for 1 month so far, and I'm loving it. As you can see, my roots are starting to grow in, which is fine. That doesn't really bother me. But yeah, I do have some jewels in my hair that I got from my local beauty supply store. And at first I was a little bit uncomfortable with, like, is the jewels gonna look nice, or is it gonna go with the purple? I'm not sure, but I really like it. I'm really enjoying it. And I do have different kinds in here as well, as you can see. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. What is on my nose? Okay. Ooh, my lips is ashy. I know my cousin's gonna be talking right now. She's gonna be like, I know you ain't do a video and your lips ashy like this. I'm sorry, people. Let's try that again.